Hello, in this class, you will learn about the multiplication of fractions. The first part of this lesson will deal with how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. In this example, we are required to multiply 4 by 1/3. That is, multiply the whole number 4 by the fraction 1/3. What we need to do is multiply the whole number by the numerator of the fraction and divide the result by the denominator. So, we multiply 4 by 1. The result is 4. We then divide this 4, which is the result, by 3, which is the denominator of 1/3. The result is 4/3. Note, 4/3 is an improper fraction. We can express it as a mixed number. 4/3 then becomes 1/3. So, 4 multiplied by 1/3 is 4/3, or 1/3. Now, let's learn how to multiply fractions by fractions. In this example, we are required to multiply 2/5 by 1/3. The two steps we need to take are: 1. Multiply the numerators of both fractions. The result becomes the numerator of the new fraction. Step 2. Multiply the denominators of both fractions. The result becomes the denominator of the new fraction. So, multiplying the numerators will give us 2, which becomes the new numerator, and multiplying the denominators will give us 15, which becomes the new denominator. The new fraction is 2/15. So, 2/5 multiplied by 1/3 equals 2/15. Next, we are going to learn how to multiply a mixed number by a fraction. In this example, we are required to multiply 2/3 by 1/4. The first thing to do is to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. We do this by multiplying the whole number 2 by the denominator of the proper fraction, which is 3. This will give us 6. The second step is to add the result of the multiplication, which is 6, to the numerator 2. The addition will give us 8. The last step is to divide the 8 by 3, which is the denominator of the fraction. We have now converted 2/3 to the improper fraction 8/3. To multiply 8/3 by 1/4, we multiply the numerators to give us 8, which becomes the new numerator, and multiply the denominators to give us 12, which becomes the new denominator. The new fraction is 8/12. Note, 8/12 becomes 2/3 when reduced to its lowest term. 2 2/3 multiplied by 1/4 equals 8/12 or 2/3. Now, we are going to learn how to multiply two mixed numbers. In this example, we are required to find the product of 1/1/5 and 2 1/2. The first thing to do is to convert both mixed numbers to improper fractions. Using the same conversion method we used in the other example, 1/1/5 becomes 6/5, while 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. To multiply 6/5 by 5/2, we multiply the numerators to give us 30, which becomes the new numerator, and also multiply the denominators to give us 10, which becomes the new denominator. The new fraction is 30/10. 30/10 becomes 3 when reduced to its lowest term. So, the product of 1/1/5 and 2 1/2 is 3. I hope you enjoyed learning about multiplication of fractions today. Till I come your way again, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep having fun with mathematics.